everyone, this is Kijibo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin the reaction video ang Sonara. So this is their cover Ikigai for today's video in Music is Universal UMG PH Samsung Hall SM Ara kahapon or kagabi. So I am really excited na gawan ko talaga ito siya ng reaction video kasi I've been telling and eager din somehow na gusto ko talagang marinig ang Sonara kumakanta ng ballad song or mellow song. Kasi ang ganda ng boses nila eh. Sobrang ganda ng boses nila. Ito yung kinakanta nila yung tabi is an upbeat song. May mga rap pa yun. Hindi pa yung fully talaga yung tipong, alam mo yung mabilis eh. Walang, kasi kung upbeat song talaga, you cannot really feel the emotion. Kasi nga 'di ba, I mean, an emotional song. Kasi gusto ko talaga, genre, a cup of my tea talaga yung, what you call this, yung kantang emotional song. Yan talaga yung mga paborito ko. So I am really excited pakinggan how do they do some harmonization, kung paano nila i-execute doon, kung anong tunog ng harmonies nila. You know what I mean? Kasi hindi lang basta magaling ka kumanta, dapat ang tenga mo magaling din. Di ba? Kailangan mo din makibagay yung boses mo sa ibang mga kasama mo, lalo na marami sila. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Gumanganak-naka. Okay, i-pause muna natin yan. They really caught my attention. Introduction pa lang, pasado na. Sa totoo lang, introduction pa lang, pasado na. Ang ganda ng harmonization nila, sa totoo lang. Bongga. Gumanganak-naka. Wow! Okay. I cannot wait kung ano kayang tunog kung kakantahin nila yung officially missing you na kanta. Sarap siguro sa tenga, babae kasi yung boses nila eh. By Junella ito nakanta, di ba? Sarap! Wow, I love that. I love that. Wow! Ganda! Yung control nila pati. Okay. babaeng-babae yung boses. Love it. Ay, nakamute pala ako. Ang sabi ko, grabe yung boses ni Megumi. Parang Dennis Julia. Parang siyang si Dennis Julia. Oh, love that ad libs. Oh my god, is that Elle? Ganda ng harmonization nila, ha? Oh, I love that. Ay, may ads na agad for today's video. Oh, ay naku, alam mo, feeling ko talaga maninail talaga yung mga kanta nila. Maninail nila yung mga kanta Officially Missing You, mga ganong kanta. Anyways, I love that. Such an orgasmic, very orgasm. The harmonies is giving. Seriously. Gabi, no? Anyways, so this is my for today's video. This is Kim Vlogs. See you on my next vlog. Bye.